Guys, today I'm going to show you this Idaxis Harry 8000 series portable visualizer, and this is so portable, so handy, and can be easily taken from one place to another. And this comes in this exports packing. You can see this is the universal adapter. It can be fit and it's customized as per any country requirement. There are different cables. There is a remote control for the product, there is a CD for the software, and there is the bag. Now, so inside the bag you can see this Harry 8000 series portable visualizer. It's completely in a folding stage, and with that you can also get this negative plate. इसमें यहाँ पे लाइट जलती है, इसको कनेक्ट करके मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी आपको. और साथ में दिस इज अ मैग्नेटिक पेटेंटेड लाइट. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट सेट. इसको ओपन करके मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. इसकी फिनिशिंग, दिस इज ऑल टच. इसमें कोई बटन्स नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, और यू कैन ईजिली टच एंड द एक्टिवेशन इज देयर. यू कैन सी all sort of port. This is the USB port, this is the HDMI output, video port, VGA port, lot of ports are there. So it is universal, and when the visualizer it looks something like this. You can see it's amazing. It can be very easily foldable, और ये बहुत ही कुछ अच्छा सा है. और इसमें इस जगह पे इसकी लाइट फिट होती है. मैं आपको वो भी फिट करके जस्ट सी. ये ऐसे करके फिट होता है, और यू जस्ट नीड टू टेक इट देयर. आई थिंक सो इट इज ये, एंड इट इज, ये उल्टा था, अभी मैंने इसको सीधा पकड़ लिया, और ये, एंड यू कैन सी नाउ दिस इज लाइट इज फिक्स्ड. अब तो नीचे यहाँ पेपर रहेगा या कुछ रहेगा, तो इस पर आपका डुअल लाइटिंग सिस्टम है. आपके इसमें भी लाइट हैं और आपके इससे भी लाइट्स आएगा. और आपको अगर कोई नेगेटिव रखना है तो आप नेगेटिव को इसके ऊपर कनेक्ट करके. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स आफ्टर यू स्विच ऑन द विजुअलाइजर एंड कनेक्ट विद द पावर पॉइंट. So this is the power point is now connected, and you can see there is a power. It comes to blue now. What you need to do is you just need to put your finger on it, and you can see it's all light blinked and it started. It is so compatible that you can easily rotate from one side to other as per your flexibility, and it is very very comfortable. And this is the light. You just need to put the light like this, off, on, off, on. You can see it's very comfortable. All freeze function, menu, power. Now I will again show you how, if you want more light, how to attach this things out here. Just wait. You just need to put it like this. This is, and now as soon as you put the lights, you can see the light start. You just need to place it like this, and this is the complete configuration of this professional Harry 8000 series. The EZ preview software that you need to connect with your, after you connect with your visualizer with your computer, you just switch on this EZ preview, and here it will say yes, switch it on. Now this is the screen, and you can see and feel this is my hand underneath, and now it is connected through computer, through USB cable, and it can also be directly connected to or through the LCD panel or projector or any of the big format display. So I've just now kept a paper underneath it, and it's now you can see out here also, and you can now see it out there on the screen as well. और मैं देखिए यहाँ पे अगर कुछ भी राइट करूँगा like this, and you can see it, you can easily उतनी ही स्पीड में राइट करता चला जाएगा. ये देखिए, and it's very, also there are so many other functions out here. You can easily zoom in from here. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can rotate as per your flexibility. You can flip the screen, the document. You can mirror the document. There are so many options. You can black and white it. Now it is black and white. You can again press it. It will become color. You can make it a negative. Right. Many things can be done in this. If you want to take some sort of pictures or anything, that can be also done, like scanning. One scan is done and you can see the scan is saved out here. So it's a very good and useful product for online teaching, and you will not get a product like this. The focus is also there. You just need to click this and the focus will be done. I just show you, like this is there and I have done, and you think the autofocus is done. You can see the autofocus is done. So you can also see this is the Edaxys logo on the upper end of the on-screen software, and there are different things. Also there is a whiteboard. You can see when you convert, there are different colors are there, and you can make anything as per the requirement. I show you, and you can see you can make any sort of diagram as per your requirement, because teachers need to do so many of the things. You can change the color from red to green and anything you can, but you can change the size and style also of these lines. We also have many other features like curves, lines, rectangle, ellipse, text. You can also enter. You can enter the text. So many other features are there. You can delete from here. So this is a complete versatile software and with a very powerful visualizer. Just after completing the teaching, you can go to the scan button. You can do the scan. First go to this effect, then you can do the scan. So as soon as you will scan, you can see the picture has been clicked, and you can send to your students or to whomever who want to preserve. There are other unique options as well, like this ebook, multiple, just you need to click it and multiple scanning of the page and record can be done in a very good way. Now there's the record option is also there. Suppose if you want to record the lecture, you can just record it and write underneath, and the recording can also be done and saved. Like I put the recording, now the recording has started, and you can see the recording is happening at this end. You just need to stop it and the record will stop. And you want to open and see the recording, that is also possible. Let's open the directory. This is the directory. Open with VLC media player, and you can see the recording is playing. Once again, I would like to show it to you. Yes, see, this is the recording. Also the notes what you have saved, you can just open this directory. You can go inside the directories. All the images format of the notes is here. You can copy it, you can attach it from your email and send to your customers or your students. Show you this unique product. Actually what is this, sometimes some transparent or you can say X-ray films need to be watched. This is small but it's very handy. I show you how you need to connect it with your visualizer, and you can see, fix this base light with this wire, and as soon as you will put the wire inside the socket, you will see there is a glow of light, and इसके ऊपर आप नेगेटिव रख करके या कुछ भी ट्रांसपेरेंट सा पेपर रख करके भी इसके ऊपर लिख सकते हैं, जो कि नीचे से ये लाइट देता है. तो वेरी हैंडी प्रोडक्ट. ओवरऑल दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस Harry. It also comes with a very unique remote with all the functions. You can see all the functions are there. It's very versatile and user friendly. You can completely fold the visualizer and it comes in your hand, and you can in below also you can see The logo, it acts as digital presenter, model Harry 8000 handy, and it's actually made in Taiwan, not made in China. So you can be assured this is one of the best quality product in your hand. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for many more, and for technology products, Edaxys is the best. Thank you.